Baby, check this out.
Red doesn't mean dead on that. Nope. Red means live.
All right, man. First time shooting guns. How you feeling?
Last night it was doing.
You excited?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You wait, buddy. It's coming.
Did you just not
It's coming.
I was tripping out last. I'm gonna lay right down and fucking take my time and just fucking mimic. When you roll the fire, you turn it like that. Right? Not turn it to fire. You also gonna pull this back and then slam it. Right? And then you're gonna flip this to fire. When you flip that to fire, you're gonna hit that. It's gonna drop down, and then it's ready to go. I like our shoulder. Set up your aim through here. Yeah. You got this. You gotta line that up with that.
It's so tasty. Freaking monkey.
A rite of passage.
Shoot the metal.
Yeah, buddy.
You can. Woo! The broadside of loaded. Pretend there's Germans over there. Is it working?
No.
Safety's on still. Probably. Try now. Pull it. It's not working. What are you shooting? Shoot the metal. There you go. Oh, it gives an extra. You can hit the broadside of a barn.
Ready to rock.
So, that's a cowboy gun. You got it? Well, kick on that one.
That one.
Did it hit you in the face?
No.
No. Get your, yeah. Now you're going to knock that down. Okay, now you're unsafe. Here it goes.
Yep.
You're on fire. Tuck it right into your shoulder.
Huh?
Tuck it right into your shoulder and then get ready to pull.
And aim up into the field.
Yeah, don't shoot the ground right in front of us.
Aim up into the field. Keep going.
Look like aim, Mason. You're not. You're hip firing. You don't hip fire that.
There you
Get
go.
comfortable, buddy.
You got to get comfortable before you fire and keep your finger off the trigger until you're comfortable. Good job. Fire. Woo! You're ready. You too. Did you switch it?
Hold it up, mate. Yeah, like that. It'd be easier for you, probably.
Oh yeah, a lot easier.
You got to switch it off to fire.
I'm just making sure I'm ready.
I wonder if there's nothing fire these.
The cock? Yeah, okay.
I think it counts.
Wasn't pulled back.
Pull back. Now, yep, there you go. Now it's hot.
They're not the same size.
Yeah, they're 7.6. Oh, you flicked the safety back on, didn't you? Oh no, you're good.
Yeah,
I
thought
would
so.
try it, bro. What was up to?
Are you using the scope?
6 feet, what the-
One is
Don't put the scope right up to your eye either.
I know,
Uncle
it's
Jay
a
learned the
22,
hard
it's
way,
okay.
but that gun don't matter.
You can shoot that one.
one-handed. A little bit smaller.
Yeah!
Ah, boy,
that
this is
bitch,
how you
boy.
get your redneck.
You know how to put the pump safety off?
It's not safety.
No, there's
Pump
a
it.
Safety.
Here, Mace.
I didn't use it. Yeah, the little safety thing.
When
can
you
pump
use it,
I've never used it. That was not one.
see this?
Yeah?
Just hold that.
You must be using it.
Oh.
That's how it works. I know. Never used it once. Just grab the thing.
Oh,
You gotta do it fast.
yeah.
You sure you weren't just hitting it?
Hold it?
without knowing? I don't know.
Yeah.
Pretty sure no.
What are you doing?
Has a pump safety.
Here. You just hold it with your, you just move it like this.
Oh, it's got a safety on the pump.
Safety's off. I told you it was off.
No, it's got a
Because
pump.
somebody hit it before you used it.
Get
Obviously.
your redneck on, boy.
Woo! That one's nice.
Pump it. There, you got another one in there. Another one. You load it right up.
You got 5. 5 shots. 2 more.
Put it in your shoulder, bro.
One more, boy.
Mason going for the pink can with the big boy.